June 1st, 2009, 9:40 a.m. I'm ready to get on the train to Prague. My train isn't here yet. I'm on the Wiener Südbahnhof, the southern railway terminus in Vienna. And these are some of the Austrian trains. My train is supposed to arrive here on platform 5. Final destination of the train is Hamburg, and it goes through Prague. So just to give you a little view of Austria's main train station here. You can see the sign here, Hamburg, Altona, line 58. Also goes through Dresden and Berlin, I think. And of course Prague. I've got about 15 minutes until I'm ready to go. And I'll check in with you in a while. Here's a train that's just arriving. Yep, they look like nice modern new trains.